Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Blue Toilet Cleaner. So do watch this video till the very end and stay tuned while I will share its salient features. Also do not forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting news for you. So please stay tuned. So I welcome all of you today. Today basically, as I said, today we'll be talking about this Blue Toilet Cleaner, as you can see, which is quite gaining popularity in the United States as well as the United Kingdom. So as you can see, this is the home page of Blue. It is Blue, actually it is BLOO and not BLUE. The pronunciation may make confusion, so I've cleared it out first only. So as you can see, they basically advertise their product, which is a toilet cleaner, and it is available in various fragrances with various tools. They are basically claiming that this toilet cleaner is very hygienically clean, and also it is very expert in fragrance cleaning, so the bad smell doesn't stay once you use this. It is available in various flavors, and there are different types, as you can see as we are going down, and the types are different, as well as the packaging and the type of product is different as well. So let's go to the menu and see about us. So here you can see, we'll go to the products first. See, basically there are up to 4 products. First is the rim blocks, that is the freshen, then in crystal, which is to protect, and then is fragrance cleaners, which basically provide shine, and other products. Let's go to the first one and just see one of their products for basic information. So as you can see, this is the product which I had opened up. They are given the all information about what it is and how to use, etc. It comes with various fragrances. There are 3 total ranges about it. Yes, so now let's get further and see whether this website is legit or not. But before going further, I would like to request all of y'all to please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel if you still haven't. Now let's go forward with the legitimacy points. So as we know, the first sign to check whether the product website is legit is to check the HTTPS. As you can see above, there is HTML. When you tap on it, you see HTTPS is shown. Let's go back, and about the website age, well, this website was registered long back in 2001. Yes, it is almost a decade since this website is being launched, almost second decade. It was launched on the 5th of April in 2001. So well, you can, with this only you can come to know how legit this website is, as it's been in the market since so long. Today in Blue Toilet Cleaners, let's see about the payment gateway and how they do with their products. Let's go to products and go to the same page again and see. If the page is opened, we'll click to buy now and see the payment gateway. So the thing is, they provide they have stock list, as in they have such a certain manufacturer, certain people who sell the products, and they are available only in the United Kingdom and Ireland. So these are all the dealers from where you can buy these products. As you can see, Amazon, Tesco, etc. These are all very famous and reputed retail online stores, and each retail online store has a different payment policy and a payment gateway. So when you tap on the preferred gateway, then you can basically see the payment details, etc. So about legitimacy points, any product is legit, you come to know when they have a social media presence. So here they have listed that about their social media presence. They are on Facebook as well as on Instagram, and they have quite less to decent following with good reviews. So with this, I would like to ask the viewers to please give me your viewpoints about today's website which we spoke about, this Blue Toilet Cleaners. And with this, we come to an end of this video. With this, I would like to conclude that this website, the legitimacy points are all legit. So this has been in the market since long, and it also has a social media presence, but it is limited to a certain region, that is United Kingdom and Ireland. So basically buying it from certain other regions like the United States, it is not quite flexible as they are shipping to only two regions. So if you all are planning to buy anything from this website, and please go for it depending it is available in your region. So with this, I would like to tell the viewers to please keep on commenting. We read all your comments on every video, so please don't stop commenting. With this, we come to an end. I would like to request all the viewers to please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel if you still haven't subscribed yet. Thank you for staying to the end. Be informed, be safe.